With the 4th of July just days away, a lot of us are in full summer entertaining and planning mode. And if you're in need of some spiced up summer recipe inspiration, look no further. Registered dietitian-nutritionist Jamie Lee McIntyre joins me with her favorite food finds for the season of fun in the sun. Good morning, Jamie. Hi, Jamie. Do you hear me?
Hello there. How are you?
I'm good. I'm glad to see you're there with us. Okay, what do you recommend to take the menu from boring to sizzling?
Well, if you really want to wow your family and guests, you're going to want to serve up some authentically spiced up bites. Everyone's really into authenticity and real cuisine when it comes to summer food trends. So that's why I love chorizo sliders. This recipe right here, it's a perfect portion, full of flavor, because it features cacique pork chorizo. Now, food's a central point of all summer gatherings, and with cacique, one of the country's top authentic Hispanic food brands, you can savor authentic flavors and share real moments of celebration. Now, cacique chorizos are available in pork, beef, and even soy, so there's one for everybody. And they're Mexican-style fresh sausages that bring the spices and hearty, authentic flavors of Mexican cuisine to your favorite recipes.
Where'd you find your recipe inspiration for all this?
So this classic chorizo sliders recipe is from caciquefoods.com. It's the perfect addition to your 4th of July backyard summer barbecue menu. Head over there to find some more delicious inspo for meals loaded with flavor. And you'll also want to check out naturaldelights.com for shareable recipes like this guacamole with Medjool date strips with tahini.
So a combination of sweet and salty seems like it's always a party crowd pleaser. Can you tell us about your find on that?
Sure. So we know that Texans love tahini, so these Natural Delights Medjool date strips with tahini are perfect for bringing sweet and spicy flavor that adds fireworks to any dish. Now, the sweetness from the Medjool dates paired with the spiciness of the chili lime tahini is a flavor explosion. When you're putting together those dishes for 4th of July, these tahini dates are an excellent option for snacking, topping, and garnish. And they add dietary fiber and that natural sweetness thanks to those fresh Medjool dates, just like I did here with my guacamole. And of course, as a dietitian, I love any chance to add a little nutrition, a little fiber to those party dishes. Just check out my Fiesta grazing board with the tahini dates, cheese, fruit, salsa, and corn chips as an example. Head to H-E-B and Kroger to pick up Medjool date strips with tahini so you can add sparks to your summer spread too.
Okay, folks are getting ready for Thursday, for the weekend. Other tips to keep in mind for a healthy summer party?
Sure, we all need to stay well hydrated in this summer heat, so serve up large pitchers of ice water and chilled cans of naturally flavored seltzer water, maybe even a few electrolyte beverages or 100% fruit juice boxes to keep everybody well hydrated in top shape for all that summer fun in the sun.
All right, thank you so much for your summer entertaining inspiration and happy 4th of July.
Same to you.
Thank you. For more information and recipes, go to caciquefoods.com or naturaldelights.com, and we'll be right back.